Today's video in Christen out of the hamster wheel is my good friend Frederick and I walking a beautiful hike from a city called Sassalbo up these mountains here. If you just drive up the road for 20 minutes from our house, you get to it. Amazing hike. We picked some mushrooms and all that jazz. Hope you enjoyed. We are on the chestnut Sassalbo White Stone Road. Got anything interesting to say to the channel?
No.
Frederick, I should say.
We are exploring.
Thoroughly exploring. You look so so elegant. Mr. Elegant. For the next 2.5 minutes at least, Frederick and I are on this detour because we chose to ignore the map and we couldn't find the right path. So we thought to ourselves, let's just cut through this wilderness, and it turned out to be a very steep road through blackberries and tall vegetation. So very interesting. I wouldn't have been without it, but it's not recommendable. Follow the hike track always. We were just discussing this. It's pretty much the point of no return. We've walked up this steep hill through blackberries with long thorns and all that stuff. Found some mushrooms, which is a good sign because we're also out hunting for those for dinner. Yeah, you can grab onto those yellow ones, right? Yeah. It's a good technique. Holy. Out and about. How close do you think? Like 50 meters or
100?
100. I hope for 50. Oh. Yeah, sure. Makes good content.
Oh my God.
Thank you for going in front.
Vi går hen over her.
All right. Steve. I don't think this is just gonna be a nature video. This is just gonna be a fail complication of you, my friend. Right. Oh fuck. I'm down. Nothing's been easy on our little detour so far anyways.
Why stop now?
Exactly. Really appreciate there's no blackberries.
Only the turn.
Now there's 50 meters. Okay, we are getting closer. Let's do this.
Du er klar til at undskylde på italiensk, hvis du møder nogen, der skiller os ud?
Si. You just say scusi. Mi dispiace.
Offroad, no intentioner.
Si. Maybe go this way around.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks good. This looks like a better terrain. This is good. This is what you want. Ouch.
We're never gonna leave this again.
Oh. If it is a path, even. This is just an old stone bearing. Not necessarily a path. Oh, someone's been here. Yes. Excellent. That's what you want.
Only minor detour.
Only minor detour. Our altitude above the ocean is 1014 meters. Now we are finally back on track on this magnificent hike. And what I've experienced with all these hikes we've been on so far here in Italy is that there's always beautiful nature and a lot of colors, especially here in autumn. And you never run out of water because almost without exception around every corner there's a little creek where you can fill your water bottles with the best water ever, where you can literally taste the minerals in the water. So yeah, it's a great hiking here in Italy. Really love it. If this isn't beautiful, I don't know what is. Good stuff. Very nice hike you found, my friend. Very nice. Also mushroom picking. Got a bag full of them. Look at this. Not so pretty on the outside. It's gonna be a brilliant pasta tonight. Italian style. Halfway point. Espresso point. Little sport point. Mountain. You can grill here and have a good time with the view.
Smoke some weed.
Smoke some... Dude, this is a children's channel. You have your old Fiat Panda and you have your very creative little gate for your chicken coop. And this one is a bit cooler because of all the colors. Old Dynastar and Elan skis and Blizzard. Good old brands. We are almost back where we started. This is the first sign we saw. We didn't even know we were gonna get off the roads, but we did indeed get off the roads. There's the little Citroën Berlingo. Friedrich, what was the best part of this hike? Mushrooms. Oh, wish we had some psychedelic ones, so we could trip all the way. A rabbit.
Which kill it?
Is it wild or is it? Oh. Pretty much instantly after we came back from the hike, we began preparing the mushrooms because they get turned bad pretty quickly once you've picked them. So it's about being quick so that they stay fresh in the pasta and you get as much good flavor out of them as possible. So yeah, that's this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We definitely enjoyed the hike here. Thanks for watching. And there it is. Pasta with home-picked mushrooms. Oh yeah.